My first question is to ask the Minister for Transport, Tourism and Sport the steps that he has taken to address the chronic overcrowding that currently exists in our public transport system, particularly in our larger cities, larger urban areas, and also indeed in the commuter routes into the larger cities. Thank you. Well, Minister, you say that you want more people to use public transport, and if you really are serious about encouraging that modal shift, well then you need to be providing reliable, efficient and punctual public services. Now, I acknowledge there was a positive announcement this morning, Bus Connects. That's a 10-year project. Now, if you talk to any commuters who are currently using bus or rail, they'll talk of overcrowding, they'll talk of delays, they'll talk of congestion, and they'll talk of the lack of park and ride facilities. Two examples, Minister. Our councillor Kate Feeney identified people contacting her in relation to the Brewery Road, the N11, which is on a quality bus corridor, served by 3 different buses, and people are waiting in excess of 15 minutes because when buses passes, they're full. Councillor Daithí de Rochta raised a very similar issue with me out in Chapel Lizard, an area that's served by 4 different bus routes. I know myself, representing constituents in Mullingar, the problems in relation to bus Éireann coming from Mullingar and the trains coming from Mullingar. So, Minister, if you're serious about getting people out of their cars into public transport, we need to accelerate our investment. And can I ask quite clearly, how many additional buses are you going to make available nationally this year? Can I ask how many of these new buses, how many of them are going to be green, energy efficient, hybrid buses? And to date, nationally, how many hybrid buses do we have in state ownership at the moment?